Active and passive voice. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So, what is active and passive voice? Let's understand. In active voice, subject is the doer. Subject यानी करने वाला कर्ता. Passive voice, subject is not the doer. Structure of active voice. Let's take an example. Sunil kicks the ball. Sunil यानी एक लड़का, subject, ball an object. Now, सुनील क्या कर रहा है? सुनील kicks the ball. Action क्या है? Kick. So here Sunil becomes subject, the ball becomes object, and kicks is an action. That means for the active voice, it is subject plus verb plus object. Passive voice. For example, a ball is kicked by Sunil. So there is a ball and is kicked is the verb. Now here you can see the sequence: object, action and the subject. That is, an action is performed on the object by subject. So here the structure is object plus V3. V3 means third form of verb, plus we are putting by before subject. Now children, both voice have same meaning. So the question is, when to use passive voice then? So we use passive voice when you don't know the subject. Second, to write reports and notices. And third, when action is more important. So, also remember, transitive verbs can be changed into passive voice. How to convert active voice into passive voice then? Remember, there are 5 important steps. The first is identify. What to identify? Subject, verb and object. Let's do the interchanging procedure. So subject becomes object and object becomes subject. The third important stage is to convert the verb. We need to change into the third form of verb, that is past participle. The fourth important step is adding helping verb before the main verb. And last, very important, we add by before the subject. So children, if you remember these 5 steps, we can easily convert active voice into passive. But what if the subject is pronoun? Then what to do? Then children, we have to do the changes. I changes to me, he changed to him, she changes to her, we becomes us and they become them. Example number 1, Shreya eats an apple. Now this is simple present tense. So we will use 5-step method. First step, identify. Identify subject Shreya, an apple, object and its verb. Second stage, interchange subject to object. Third step, convert the verb into V3 form. तो eat का V3 form क्या होगा? Eat, ate, eaten. Now the fourth one, we must put helping verb before the main verb. So an apple will put helping verb is. So it becomes is eaten. So the last stage now, after doing these changes, we just put by before the subject and hence the final sentence is an apple is eaten by Shreya. Now, what if the sentence is in present continuous tense? Look at the sentence. Shreya is eating an apple. So the first step, subject, verb and object. So let's swap or let interchanged. So now is eating. Again here children, though the verb is eating, the main verb is eat. So we convert the verb as eat, ate, eaten. Now helping verb. It is in present continuous tense. So we write is. Since it is a continuous, we put being. So is being eaten. And the last is, let us sum up everything. It will be an apple is being eaten by Shreya. Now, Shreya has eaten an apple. As you see, this is the example of present perfect tense. So let us swap this subject and object. Yes, done. Now, again, here it is already in the V3 form. It will be eaten only. But helping verb will be has been eaten. Again, has been eaten. And hence the final sentence will be an apple has been eaten by Shreya. So in passive voice, it is be verb plus past participle of the third verb is very important. So let us see in different tense form how it changes. Simple present tense, for example, he writes a letter. Here writes changes to is written. But in case of present continuous tense, where the verb is writing, it becomes is being written. In case of present perfect tense, it is have written or has written. Passive voice changes to has been written. In case of simple past, if it is he wrote a letter, we use here was written. So wrote changes to was written. In past continuous, was writing changes to was being written. In past perfect, had written changes to had been written. And in case of future tense, where we use will write, it changes to will be written. Now children, what to do with modal in the sentence? For example, they must do it at once. Now here, must is the modal. What we will do? We'll keep the modal unchanged. It must. Now here, do will change to be done. So it must be done at once by them. That means modal auxiliary does not change. Verb becomes modal as it is plus be plus V3 form. Now children, let's see what is to be done in interrogative sentences. First sentence, did you break this chalk? So it is in a past tense. So here did changes to was. This chalk object. Break again V3 from broken by you. Second, have you written poem? So here again have changes to has. The past participle, that means change to been written by you. Now third question, who killed the rat? It's a WH questions where we expect the answer as a subject. Who killed the rat? किसने ये किया? So here we will add by first. So now by whom was rat killed? The next one is, will you give an exam? Now this is in the future tense. So will an exam be given by you? Now let us see about imperative sentences. Remember, this sentence begin with let, requested or asked depending upon what imperation is used here. So, first example, start your work now. So, we'll start with let your work be started now. Please do not eat raw fruit. Now here there is a request, right? So we can use the word requested. You are requested not to eat raw fruit. Leave the room at once. This can be an order also. This can be you are asked to do this thing. So we'll write you are ordered to leave the room at once. Many times when infinitive is in the sentences, what to do? Infinitive is changed and to be is placed before it. Remember, infinitive is changed and to be is placed before it. For example, they wanted to hold the meeting today. So here to hold is infinitive. So what could be changed? They wanted the meeting to be held today. So we put to be before the third form of verb hold here. So children, thank you very much. Do like and subscribe my channel, and please